So this is the first job opening which we have, which is for the Network Tech Lab India Private Limited, India Limited. Sorry, they want a security engineer, network security engineer. 2+ years of experience is required, which is Andheri. Intern, network security fresher, Andheri. Freshers, right? So you guys can apply here. Executive associate, 1+ years of experience in Thane. Intern associate fresher in Thane. So guys, those want to join, you can. This is the mail ID urvi.s@netlabindia.com and ispita.r@netlabindia.com, and this is the contact number. If you want, you can call if you're not getting a response on email or something. Do it out, fresher. This is for you, and this is, I guess, a very big opportunity. Now, next one is someone is looking for network security consultant. Gurgaon based location, 3+ years of experience is required in application security. And they want a web application, API security, mobile security, iOS, Android, and thick client application security. And proficient in static application security testing tool 45 or check mark, right? aparna.malik@esec40.com is the mail on which you need to drop you this. Now, next one is MS Sentinel SIM admin. EY, guys, this is Gmail, secure ninja 123 Gmail. So I just tell you to authenticate this thing because actually, whenever if there is any big company and they are not going to use the Gmail, right? So just check from your side what going to start. Next one is Angene Technology Private Limited is looking for application security analyst, mobile application security assessment, API security assessment, network VAPT, and all those things. Right? Experience is 2 to 4 years of experience is required. Notice period is 30 days. Location is Navi Mumbai, and this is work from office, right? Mail ID is recruitment@anzantech.com, right? So just write in the subject line what exactly you're looking for, which is probably the VAPT. Just check whatever you're looking for. Just add VAPT in the subject line so that they can recognize you. Now, next one is start. They are looking for this image jack.employees@startman.com, and they want security team manager up to 155K plus 15% bonus. So here you can see SOC and threat intelligence, all those things are basically people are looking. Next one is network engineer, Computer Tamil Nadu. Company name is Connect for SEO Technology Private Limited. Their responsibilities monitor, maintenance, and optimize LAN WAN, SD-WAN, VPN, cloud network, ensure network, and all those things. Again, for freshers, 0 to 1 years of experience is required, strong knowledge, good communication, bachelor's in IT. And mail ID is recruitment@connect4co.com is the mail on which you need to think of. AWS, Azure, GCP, network monitoring, and all those things you need to take care of, right? So check it out if you want to apply. So guys, that's all for today. And basically, we will be starting SOC internship very soon. A training of internship program on which you can learn even, and then you can get some job as well. So we'll be starting very soon, and this is TCI. So if you want to join our web application pen testing program, you can join this one, right? So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.